everyone. So I am in Las Solas. This is about an hour from Miami. It's perfect for the entire family. We're going to be having lunch and we're going to sightsee so that you can get an idea on hotels and everything Las Olas has to offer, so please subscribe. And then this is Señor Frogs. This is Mexican food. And I actually ate at this restaurant in the Bahamas. They had really good food there. And then towards that side, you guys can see that that's the beach. And then they have more outdoor dining. Then here they have more, oh look, this guy paints. But here they're gonna charge you a lot. So this is another fresh Mexican restaurant. Looks really good. And then people sit outside. Right now it's a fall time in Miami, so that means that it's a little bit cooler. The temperatures are below 90. They're like in the mid 80s, high 80s, sometimes like high 70s, and that's cold for us. So here they have another restaurant, but this looks a little bit fancier, and it's called Café del Mar, Coffee of the Sea. I've actually stayed at Las Solas. I did so years ago, and I stayed at a hotel here, and a lot of people just come and they rent the hotel and then they come to the beach. And I think that over there, that's where I stayed, and it was a lot of fun. Like for the weekend, I loved it. So look at this menu at this restaurant so that you guys get an idea. Hi. These are the prices. They have pasta, they have main entrees, they have burgers, pizzas, salads, and these are the prices. I don't think they're bad when you compare them to other places, but typically if you're in a place like Las Olas, this is a tourist place, so you're going to be paying a premium for that. So there is a Taco Bell up there. That looks fancy. That used to be another restaurant before. Yeah, that wasn't there. That Taco Bell was not there. And then these are hotels, and they face the ocean. This used to be a CVS or a Walgreens, but it's completely gone. And then here is where they have more restaurants and they have shops inside.
This is like a mall, but it's always dead.
Yeah, it's like a mall, but it's dead. Oh, that Haagen-Dazs has been there for years. Last time I was here, I remember. Look around. And then look around.
This is like a mall, but it's always like dead. Not a lot of people look like they come in here.
Yeah.
Like as you can see, a lot of the retail shops are like closed.
Let's check it out. Oh, just look at the prices here. So this is like a little shop that they have. This looks really good. $2.99, 50% off for that grilled cheese sandwich. They have another store here. I'm not sure if it's the same one. No, it's another one, but it's.
Oh, it looks like CVS. It was CVS. It's still here.
Oh, that's CVS?
Yeah, it is still here.
Okay, so the CVS is here. So if you need to get any of your everyday necessities, you would come to the CVS. Because it's a CVS, I think here you're gonna be able to get food. Look at this, they have food here, they have bread. So if you're the type of person who travels and you buy bread and you buy ham and things, obviously to save money, I think you can jump to the CVS and you're gonna save a ton of money. They even have donuts and they have a whole bunch of things. And also if you need like everyday essentials, you can get them here too, and you're gonna be paying the same amount as you would in a place that's not for tourists. Something that I want to point out is that these restaurants that you guys are looking at have a beautiful view, so you can look at the ocean. And then they have a Hooters here, so if you're a fan of like chicken wings and
those are more like bars. Like you can see, like look at the sign over there, endless happy hour, $3 shot, $6.
Yeah, so this is basically like a place you would come and you would enjoy alcohol, put it like that. And then they have other places that are a little bit more calm where you can come with your family. So these chairs right here, they rent them. And then obviously like if you're a tourist, You don't have to bring any of your things. But let me just tell you that these things right now, I don't know the price, but they tend to be a little bit expensive.
Even the Taco Bell has a nice view.
Yep. Look at that. And they have a cantina. So cantina is like a bar in Mexico, I think, right? Una cantina, I think.
Yeah.
Because in
But
Cuba, cantina is something else. Cantina is like food that you pay for, and they bring you a whole bunch of food.
I'm sure I'm sure they sell beer and alcohol. I'm sure.
Oh yeah, they have to. Also, something that you need to know: Florida is known for this weather. So it rained when I first started filming, and then the humidity spiked to 727%, and now it's stopped raining, but it's gonna rain again soon. And then look at that, there's sunshine on the other side. So this is what they have to start to share. This is what they have. Look at the prices. So it's a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think these are not bad prices when you compare them to other places. And look, they have huge TVs here, so if you want to look at your favorite team, most likely they're going to have the game. And this one has loud music, and it has indoor seating as well. These are the specials that they have at the Rock Bar. Thank you. Thank you, you're awesome. I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Also, please subscribe to please subscribe to my channel. Right now it's pouring and I'm getting wet because that's how much I'm committed to bringing you guys amazing content. So yeah,
I hope the
subscribe.
microphones don't break.
We are sitting at Café del Mar. I showed you guys this restaurant. I want to show you guys the menu. So they have salad, sandwiches, pasta, main entrees. Then they have the appetizers here. I really like the ceviche. And then they have handcrafted cocktails, red wines, white and rose wine, sparkling prosecco. So they brought me my strawberry lemonade, and I wanted to show you. So let's give it a taste test. Oh wow, it's really good. You can really taste the high fructose corn syrup. This is the ceviche that they gave us. Looks really good. So as you guys can see, it has shrimp and it's well marinated. Let's do a taste test. Okay. Here you go. It's well garnished, I'll admit. It's really good. I saved the jalapeno for Sandy, but good presentation and it tastes really good. They gave you these crackers, and the restaurant does have decent prices when you compare them to the other ones. Like I think this one had, out of all of them, like the best prices. They also set us, and it's raining, with a hole like right over there, so the water is coming this way. But other than that, I'm gonna enjoy my piña colada. Look at me, piña colada. No. Strawberry lemonade with a touch of high fructose corn syrup. By the way, the food just got here, but we wanted to share something really funny that happened. So Sandy is the one who takes care of the comments with me on YouTube, and I'm
Monitor.
here. Well, wait, it might waste my mic. Okay, so Sandy helps me monitor the comments on YouTube, and someone left the funniest comment in the world. They were talking about Las Olas being for like a dictator. It's nothing like that here. It's a lot of fun, and right now they're playing live music. This is what I ordered. It's a salmon and it has veggies. And Sandy ordered one of the best things in life, a burger. That looks really good, Sandy. Okay, so this is my plate of food, and I want to do an honest review. So I want to get the It's a little dry. I'm not gonna lie. It's good, but it's dry. Try this. Okay. It's okay.
I got a burger. You can't get that wrong, so I know it's gonna be good.
Oh, they ask you for the turn. Like in a lot of places, they don't. Oh wow, Sandy, you attacked that burger. That was like, whoa. Bro, you attacked that burger. You should have seen the speed that you went at it with. So now I want to give you guys my review on the restaurant. I just wanted to point out that they also have indoor dining and they have a bar as well inside, like right over there. That's where they have the bar. So the food is not the best. I'm not gonna lie to you, the salmon was very dry. The veggies, they did a good job with that. I didn't taste what Sandy ordered, but it looked decent. And the drink was really good as well. You know, this is an experience. Usually when you come to these places that are for tourists, you know, it's like that. It's not like the best food or anything. I do have some restaurants that I've reviewed here in my channel in Miami, not in Fort Lauderdale, and you can get an insight on those restaurants. It's under the worldwide restaurant review videos that I have here on my channel. So if you're stopping by, I think that there are more options. Like they have Hooters, they have a Chili's, I think. I don't remember the name now, but they have like a lot of Mexican food, and usually like Mexican food is the best. So I would aim for that. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope that you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.